Good. We're going to practice Gamjin. Gamjin is a very important technique, and then some people they might misinterpret it because they said is not working. But actually it's working, but don't use it like a static. Kung Fu is alive, as mentioned before. So Gamjin is a double block with the forearms blocking. It's double Q, okay? So when we got that, it's receiving a strike that's coming directly to yourself. It could be up, or the sides, down sides, or downwards, okay? That's the Gamjin technique. Okay, so we're going to explore different applications of it. Thank you, Daniel. Please come in now. Okay, thank you. The first thing is the upper block. Upper block is against what we call typically the chopping knife killing technique, all right? Someone's got a chopping knife from the kitchen and chop it like this. Okay, they wouldn't chop like this, right? That's a weird stabbing technique. Or bottle technique, okay? So if the threat comes from the top, Gamjin will be there, okay? Gamjin, we don't stop immediately there. We should always combine it from one side or another, directly on one side, or Gamjin directly from the other side, okay? If the threat comes from the side, so technique, Soju, for example, the Gamjin will go this way, or the left on top of the right, doesn't matter, or this way, okay? If you go this way, you can direct it this way, or that way, okay? Or with that hand, Gamjin going this way, or with a kick, Gamjin go this way, or uppercut, Gamjin go this way. All right, slow motion, this way, Gamjin, so you can see it, this way. Okay, you see my left is on top of the right, but sometimes doesn't work. My right could be on top of the left. It doesn't matter. The difference will be what you do afterwards, okay? To the side, boom. Okay, or to the side, boom. Okay, different techniques. Thank you.